2021-2019, antes de entrar en la silla presidencial, el gobierno actual desató una ola represiva contra el pueblo organizado y no organizado. En el estado de Chiapas, el gobierno estatal de Rutilio sacó para noviembre. After you have your ticket, after you come through the turnstile, you're going to come to what you can find in some of the metro underground places, and that is replicas, history, dioramas of what it looked like in Aztec times, which is kind of cool. So, hey, enjoy it, and you can learn from this. When you come through the turnstile, then what you're going to do is you're going to stay to your right, and you're going to look for the very first stairs that go down, and it'll say Tasqueña, Tasqueña, and you're going to go down those stairs. Okay, so now you're down right at the platform. You wait for the next train. You get on the train and you're going to go 10 stops. It's the second to the last stop on this line, and the name of this stop is called General Anaya. So wait for the train, 10 stops, and then get off at General Anaya. Alright, so after you get off of the train and you go through the turnstile to exit, immediately you're going to turn left and it looks like this. when you exit the metro, immediately you're going to turn left and then left again and follow the street that's right next to the station, this way. Okay, so this bus is going to cost 6 pesos and it's going to be about a 10-15 minute ride. The bus driver is going to tell us when we're at Centro Coyoacán, so just listen for him and that's where you're going to get off. All right, the bus doesn't go exactly to the center of the city of Coyoacán. It goes to a block away. So you're going to tell the bus driver you want to go to Centro Coyoacán. He's going to drop you off at this intersection right here, and then the bus is going to turn that way. And it's a street that's Miguel Hidalgo and Abasolo. What you're going to do then is just continue on the same street that you were coming down on the bus and walk one more block this way and you'll be at the center of Coyoacán. I'll show you. As you're walking toward the center of Coyoacán, which is only less than a half a block further on, you are going to pass this museum. It's the Museum Nacional de Culturas Populares. It's an art museum. Artisans from different areas exhibit their work here. But to continue on, you go that way. And you've arrived. Here we are in the center of the town of Coyoacán. The main church is right over there behind the camera. And I'm right in front of my friend Miguel Hidalgo, the statue. And you arrived here only paying 5 pesos for the metro, 6 pesos for the bus, so that's 11 pesos. And then times 2, the return, 22 pesos. In US dollars, about $1.20. That's a good deal rather than taking an Uber or a taxi. It only took about less than 45 minutes to get here. And now I want to show you how you get back. It's easy. From my friend Hidalgo, you just continue to the other side of the square. The buses will be running from the left to the right. You just flag down the green bus, pay your 6 pesos, and you're gonna get off at the same place you got on the bus, which is just right down from the metro station. Once you get off the bus, you'll turn left, walk a short distance, you'll see the metro station, go inside, pay your 5 pesos. Now you're gonna go to the other side of the tracks and get on the train, the Tasqueña train. You're gonna take it 10 stops to the stop called Zócalo/Tenochtitlan. Zócalo/Tenochtitlan. That's where we started. And you can get off, you'll be right in the downtown Zócalo, which is another word for plaza, and you're back in the center. That's it. Hope this is helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to write me and I'll get back to you. I hope you enjoy your stay when you do come to Mexico City. Adventure on, my friends. We'll see ya.